Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and today we're gonna be switching it up a little bit. It's more of a chill day, but we're gonna do a little reaction to some craziness that happened a few days ago. But before we get this started, I just wanted to say happy Sunday. I hope all of y'all had an amazing time with your friends, family, or even with yourself on this Easter Sunday. It's beautiful outside. I have the blinds kind of closed because I didn't want to have some crazy lighting going on, but it's beautiful outside. It's a good day today, so we're just soaking up the positive vibes, the positive energy. I got my Vietnamese iced coffee on deck. It just hits different, especially on a Sunday or the weekend. Beautiful. And I got the candle vibes going on with the fishes in the background, with the neon lights. Come on. Oh, and completely off topic, but I wanted to thank everybody for supporting me on the last video. The last video went crazy. If you guys missed it, check it out. There is a giveaway going on that's going to be ending in 3 days, people. You got 3 days left to enter that giveaway. I'm giving away a free pair of Air Forces, so make sure you guys check out that video. That'll be linked down below in the description. But as I was saying, we're gonna be doing a quick reaction video today of some craziness, so let's get into it. So I'm not on Twitter too often, but sometimes when I get on there, I'll be finding some crazy stuff. So when I was scrolling through this day, I saw this picture right here, the same one that you guys see on the screen, and I was like, yo, what the hell? Is this real? Can this be real? And apparently it is. So obviously you see these fragment lows, they basically just, they got annihilated with some craziness. Let's just zoom in real quick. Oh my goodness. I thought it was a fake pair at first, and somebody just kind of like, you know, doodled on it for the clout. But I'll tell you guys more about the story a little bit later. But look at this. We have some crazy words in here. It's like, it's almost like a Where's Waldo going on, but if you just keep looking for stuff, you'll find stuff. So we got, let's see, the swoosh right on, and then we got, you know, a little bit of action on the paper right here. I don't even know if I could say this on YouTube, because YouTube, it's been kind of weird lately. I'm not gonna go into that, but this is something else. And it looks like they try to do a little custom right here. Interesting. Oh, can't forget that. Yeah, so when I saw that on my Twitter feed, I was instantly like, this is for the clout. You know, this is trying to be funny. This is just trying to get retweets. And then I saw that there was a little bit more. So when I clicked on this was from Nice Kicks, but they gave credit to a couple other people. So you see, whoever messed this up, they did it on my mamas. So, ooh. So we got that, and then there's a couple more that I saw as well. So you see the grapes, but in these photos, it looks like they took the photo from another photo. Like they went in front of their laptop and they just took the photo. It just looks a little weird, right? At this point, I'm still thinking this gotta be a joke, because there's stuff in the background that I'm like, I don't know. It looks like you're in 3rd grade, but I don't know. And then I saw this. All right, I'm starting to kind of believe it at this point. There's a lot of shoes to be messing up. What I did was I went on Instagram, I posted all of these, and I was like, man, what do you think homie did to deserve this? Obviously, I have some conclusions in my head. I mean, there's only one that I could really think of, but I wanted to see what you guys thought. And you guys went crazy in the comment section. And then from there, I was like, bro, what if I could get in contact with this guy? A lot of people were reposting all of these shoes, and I was like, dude, if I could get in contact with this guy to understand the full story and to see if I could restore this, that'd be a super dope series. I had a couple people reach out to me saying that they were in the same Facebook group as this specific guy, because I guess he posted it to the Facebook group first, and then that's kind of how everybody else started to repost it or let it be known. So shout out to a couple of you guys for getting me in contact with him, and then from there, I was kind of just reaching him through the DMs. So we're gonna see even more photos that a lot of people didn't see, because I told them, man, it'd be dope to do a series on this. I'm gonna try to revive it real quick for you. I'm gonna try my best, but let's make this a series. Let's see if we could bring these shoes back for the homie. So that is in the works, but let me show you guys what he sent me. Again, this is a lot of the photos that didn't make it to Instagram, to Twitter, and all that stuff, because he was just literally showing me the condition of the shoes and the damage that his girl did to it. So let's take a look. Actually, hold that thought. Before we take a look, I'm gonna tell you the backstory about how all of this went down. So let's start the backstory. So basically, I messaged another girl and just ended up venting about how I felt about my current relationship. My girl, aka baby mama, finds out and loses it, thinking that something more is going on between me and the girl, and the next day I get back from work and see the mess that she left on my shoes. She obviously thought that homie was doing something on the side. Maybe he was going behind her back, whatever. And that's basically how we ended up here. He said, I never actually cheated, but to her, just messaging another girl was considered cheating. So yeah, she did that. Pray for my guy. That's a very toxic relationship. I feel like I'm a counselor right now. Counselor Alex at your service. I guess it was an impulse thing. She does things when she gets angry out of impulse. I can see how she took it the wrong way or whatever, but I feel like I didn't deserve for her to do that. So that's basically what happened, summed up. That is the entire story straight from the source. Now let's take a look at the other shoes that she messed up, because you know, we've seen maybe like 4 to 6 photos, but there's plenty that he was able to send me. So let's take a look at them. This is a little toasty right here. This is a little toasty. So she got the Yeezys. One thing with this shoe in particular is when you get something on the suede is super hard to get out. I believe all of this is Sharpie. So I don't think these can be brought back to life, but I was like, man, if you can just include it, I can try my best, because there's no way that whatever I'm doing to these shoes is gonna be worse than how it is right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're already messed up. So he sent me this photo. Let's see, this one. Oh, we're gonna do a quick little Spanish segment. Let's do it. No vales verga pendejo. Smiley face. Woo! He got a spicy one. I hung out with a lot of Hispanic people growing up. So there's parts of this where I understand, like everybody knows what verga is and pendejo, but novales, I don't really know that. So if you guys want to drop some knowledge down below, feel free to do so. Translate it, do what you gotta do, add your favorite part. Whatever part of this video is funny to you, just let me know in the comment section down below. But let's keep this thing rolling. Okay, next one is a video. Ooh, what the hell? What is that? It's almost like she put makeup on it. That pink part. Luckily this pair is leather, so all the leather can be repainted. That's pretty easy. Getting the stains out the midsole might be a little challenge, but I think I'm gonna be able to bring this back. So these he might be good on. This is the most expensive pair. This is the shoe that we were seeing on Twitter, on Instagram, but it's cool to see it in a video so you can understand, you know, the amount of damage that's actually done. And it looks like he went ahead, acetoned it, or tried to get it off a little bit, but it's gonna cause some smears. You might mess up the material, so at least, you know, some of the midsole started clearing up a bit. These could be saved. These could be saved. You're good, bro. You don't even trip about that one. And this can be saved too. If she got it on the laces or on the tongue, ooh, that would have been pretty hard to get out. But anywhere that has leather, that could be repainted over, so you're good. Again, this girl is kind of toxic, man. Not sorry. I can't tell what word that is right there. Not sorry. Ha ha ha. Ooh, spicy. Them spicy Latinas, man. Spicy Latinas. These aren't bad at all. The 14s. I don't think anybody saw the 14s, but she got to the 14s. She did end up, you know, putting in some work on these. This guy's lucky, to be honest, because I feel like a girl that does this, bro, I'm not even gonna say it, bro, but you're pretty lucky. I'm glad that it was the shoes, bro. Cara de culo! I got a lot of energy right now off of this coffee, so if I'm a little crazy, you guys know why. Then looks like she went ahead, did a little bit of doodle bobby over here on the On My Mama box. These is a little bit hard, especially this cara de pito cueco? Cueco. Cara de pito cueco. I think that's how you say it. I don't know, you guys could feel free to correct my Spanish down below. I'm not a native Spanish speaker, so I don't know what I'm saying. But these are a little bit different because the leather's cracked. It's a little harder to work with. I'm not sure if we could get the stuff out of the Ama Mamas, but yeah. She got to the white cement 3s. These should be easy, but this girl, man, she missed the elephant print. Once it hits the elephant print, that's super hard to get out. But luckily, she did it on the midsole that usually gets repainted. She did it on the leather that we could repaint, so that's good. These are done. These ones are done. I'm gonna be honest, these ones are done. It's hard. Like I said, the nubuck, you can't paint over nubuck. Ay, ay, ay. The grapes, she put in a little bit of work. Ah! No, I didn't even notice that. She got the netting. Yeah. If it was just the leather, we would have been good. But the netting, I don't know about that. The Verga is squirting, man. You see the drips? Oh my god. I'm telling you. You are lucky she did this to the shoes. Bro, she could have put in work on you. This girl crazy. This girl is... I'm telling you, man. Again, I don't think the internet saw these, but she straight up just went in for the patent leather. I don't know what she used. I'm assuming scissors. It has to be scissors. Or... does that look like scissors? Maybe X-Acto knife. I don't know. She had to cut the laces with scissors though. But that's permanent damage. That's some craziness. Whew. And these are the ones that made it to the internet. Mainly to the internet, which we've seen. Again, this is just a quick reaction video. I usually don't do these types of videos, but I wanted to kind of just react to it to let you know about a potential series that we might have on the channel. I'm still trying to figure out the name, but I'm teaming up with the homie John Manalo, who does amazing work. We're both out here in the Bay Area, so we're gonna collaborate on this project if all of this gets sent out. Homie said that he was gonna send it out to us within the next few days, so we'll see if we actually receive this package. But if we are able to receive this package, unbox these shoes, we are gonna do a quick series on it where we bring these back for him. So if you guys would like to see that, drop a comment down below. Again, if you guys saw anything that you found funny in this video, you have any concerns, like what would you do? Or what are you thinking in your head? If this happened to you, what's going down, bro? Comment down below. Don't say anything illegal. You don't want to get yourself caught up, but I'm curious. I'm curious. This is a lot going on right here, especially if you're a crazy sneakerhead like that. I'm gonna edit this quick video. I am uploading a little bit more on my vlog channel now, a little bit more business related content as well as car content. So I'll have that down below in the description if you guys would like to subscribe. Once again, don't forget to join the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Hopefully we can get these shoes in. I'll keep you guys updated with everything, but it's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful Sunday. Catch you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.